Can collateral estoppel stop unmarried U.S. citizen children's immigration applications? Imagine going through a long process to bring your family to the United States, only to find out some issues might be stopped in their tracks. That's where collateral estoppel comes into play. It's a legal rule that stops the same issue from being argued again once it has been decided in a final court or immigration decision. But how does this affect children of U.S. citizens who are trying to immigrate? Let's find out. Collateral estoppel applies when four main things happen. First, the issue in both cases must be exactly the same. Second, the issue must have been actually fought over and decided in a previous case. Third, the person involved must have had a real chance to argue that issue before. And fourth, that issue must have been essential to the final decision. If all these are true, then the issue cannot be argued again. In immigration cases, collateral estoppel can be used when an immigration judge, or the Board of Immigration Appeals, has already made a final decision on a specific fact or legal question. For example, if a judge decided that a certain family relationship was valid in one case, that decision might stop the government from arguing otherwise in a new case involving the same facts. But it's important to remember that each immigration case is often different, with different facts and applicants. So, the issue has to be exactly the same for collateral estoppel to apply. When it comes to unmarried children of U.S. citizens, each application is usually treated separately. Even if a family had a previous case decided, that decision might not stop a new application unless the same issue is involved and all conditions are met. For example, if a previous case decided that a child was eligible based on certain facts, and those facts are the same in a new case, then collateral estoppel might prevent the government from relitigating that point. However, the government must have been part of the previous case, and the issue must be identical. If the facts or circumstances have changed, or if the previous case was not final, then collateral estoppel probably won't stop a new application. It's a tool that can be used in specific situations, but it doesn't automatically block new applications. For families working through immigration, it's smart to work with an experienced immigration attorney. They can review past decisions and see if collateral estoppel might apply. Knowing how this legal doctrine works can help families plan their next steps better. It's all about understanding your rights and options so you can navigate the process with confidence.